Alrighty, well, good morning / afternoon, sorry. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Scott. I'm a yoga instructor with Santosha School here in Eastern Washington. And every Thursday I teach some type of an uplifting song. I try to alternate between different styles, doing like a Christian song, a Sanskrit song, a popular song, and then a cultural song. So yeah, today we are going to learn Bob Marley's classic tune of Don't Worry About a Thing, or Three Little Birds, however you know it. And yeah, I'm excited to work on this with you. So, feel free, we're going to sing it through a few times, and then we'll break it down. Here we go. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Sing that again. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. This morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds outside my doorstep, singing a sweet song, a melody's pure and full, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Sing it, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds outside my doorstep, singing a sweet song, a melody's pure and full, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds outside my doorstep, singing a sweet song, a melody's pure and full. This is my message to you. Let's sing, this is my message. This is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. be alright. Alright, so there you go, Bob Marley's Three Little Birds. And now we are going to break this down. So we're going to start off with percussion like always. So feel free to grab your shakers if you want. You can always use a drum or a bucket or other things like that too if you want to do different percussion. But today we're just going to use a shaker because it sounds really nice with this song. So this song is in 4/4 timing, which means 4 beats in every measure. And this song has a little bit of a swing to it. You can play it straight, but the groove is nice if you give a little bit of a swing. So we're going to do that same classic shaker beat that we always do, where we're hitting 2 different spots. And so instead of going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, we're actually going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So this is kind of like a shuffle beat. If you ever listen to like 60s rock, you'll hear this shuffle a lot. Elvis Presley has it in a lot of his music. But yeah, just imagine this nice little swing. And we're going to speed it up just a little bit. Sing and don't worry about a thing, There we go. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. So that's about the tempo we need to get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. So, pretty simple. You guys can keep on practicing that if you'd like. We're going to move on to guitar. Feel free if you have any questions about that, or if you want to learn a drum beat that goes with it too. I can show you that at the end if we have some time. But yeah, just comment on your questions there. Comment on your questions. Put your questions in the comments. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to learn the guitar part. Hopefully you can still see the chords with my head here. But basically we are going to keep our pinky and ring finger on strings 1 and 2 in fret number 3. So we're just going to keep them there the entire time. Okay? And we're going to start off by putting our middle finger on string number 6 in fret 3 as well. So that's a simplified G. And I always kind of rest the side of my finger on string number 5, just to kind of mute that string. So there you go, that's your G chord. And we're going to hold that for 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Actually, I guess it would be 4 if you're counting fast. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we're going to do a C chord for 2 measures. Okay, and all we're going to do is move our middle finger up 1 string to string number 5 and fret 3. So then we have this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. And then we're back to G for 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. So that is the chorus. Okay, so it's G for 4, C for 2, G for 2. 4, 2, 2. So let's take it a little bit slow, and I'm just going to strum the downbeat for you. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. Here we go to C, C, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, and back to G. 1, 2, Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. Here we go to C. C, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. And back to G. G, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. Sing and don't worry. 3, 4, 2, 2. About a thing. 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3. C, 'cause every little thing or two is gonna be all. Back to G. There we go. So that's the chorus, and it just goes 2 times through those changes. Okay, and then we're going to move on to the verse. So that's the woke up this morning. Okay, we start on G. Woke up this morning, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Every chord gets 2 measures, okay? Then we're going to move to a D. I like to do a D over F sharp. So I'm moving my middle finger to string number 3, okay, in fret 2, and then I'm moving my index finger onto string 6 in fret 2, okay? It sounds like this. I like that the bass line goes down. So you have kind of a descending bass line. I kind of like that. So we're going to do that. So we go from our G, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, okay, down to a D over F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, okay, and then we have an E minor, okay. So E minor is going to be just like it normally is. Your index and your middle finger. Your index will be on string number 5 in fret 2, and your middle finger will be on string number 4 in fret 2. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. And then back to your C chord. So that's your middle finger on string number 5 in fret 3. Okay. So that's the first half of the chorus. Let's try and do, or sorry, the verse. Let's try and do it all together. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. G, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. Here we go. D over F sharp. 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. And then back to G. Okay. So now let's move on to the second half. This is basically the same thing, except we don't go to the E minor this time. So we have G for 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Then D over F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. And then we go straight to C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. And back to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. So let's try that all together, just the second half. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. D over F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. E minor. Oh, sorry, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Back to G. 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. So let's go ahead and try the full verse all together. It's okay if you get lost. We'll go through it a few times, and I'll try and call it out for you. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. D over F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. D over F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woke up this morning. G. 2, 3, 4, 5. Smiled with the rising. Smiled with the D over F sharp. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 little birds. E minor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Outside my doorstep. C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to G. Singing a sweet song. 3, 4, 5. Of melodies. D over F sharp. Pure and full. Here we go. C. Singing. This is my message to. Back to G. You. One more time. Woke up this morning. Smiled with D over F sharp. Rising sun. 3 little E minor birds. Outside my C doorstep. Singing a G sweet song. Of melodies. D over F sharp. Pure and full. Singing C. This is my message to you. G. You. All right. So there we go. That is the progression. Feel free to keep on practicing. If you want to know the strum that I was doing, I'm going down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. So it's kind of the classic country western. Kind of the classic country western strum, but I'm adding a little bit of a swing to it, so it kind of gives it the nice little groove. Okay, there we go. Let's move on to piano. If you have any questions about the guitar part, feel free to post those in the comments right now. If not, then we'll just move on to the piano part. All right, let me raise this up just a little bit. Okay, here we go. So, our first chord is a G. What I'm going to do is an inverted G, so I'm just moving up our G to the top. Okay, that's going to allow us to keep all of the chords pretty close together, just moving one key up and down. So, we start on a G, a B, D, and G. Okay, for 4 measures, you guessed it. And I like to do this on the offbeat. It kind of gives it more of a reggae feel. So sing and don't worry about a thing. So you're hitting every 2 and 4. 'Cause 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Okay, so we have our G first, B, D, and G, okay? And then when we move up to C, it's just your classic C chord. So C, E, and G. You're just moving up your bottom two fingers up a white key. It's gonna be alright, and back to G. Okay, so that's our chorus. We have that thing. C, 'cause every little thing is gonna be all back to G. Sing and don't worry about a thing. C, 'cause every little thing is gonna be on G. Okay, so the chorus is pretty easy. So now we're going to move into the bridge. Sorry that you can't see the chords right now, but we are going from G to D to E minor to C. So starting on the G, we're going to move to a D chord, but what we're going to do is we're going to move the A to the bottom. So our bottom finger is moving down to A, and our top finger is moving to F sharp. So it's going to look like this. 1. Okay. And again, every chord is held for 2 measures. I guess it's 4 beats this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then our E minor, we're going to move the bottom finger back up to B. We're going to move the middle finger up to an E, and the top finger up to G. Okay, so we've gone from here to here. If you can think of everything as just moving up 1 key, I guess the F sharp's moving up a half step. So there's our E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then back to C. So all we have to do is move up our bottom finger. Okay, so let's try that all together. So we start on our G chord, so B and D and G. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. D. So we're moving down. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here comes E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To C. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try that again. I'm just going to hold out the chords this time. So it's easier to see my fingers while I'm playing. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. E minor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now we're into the second half. A melody's pure and full. We go back to the D. Okay, so singing a sweet song of melodies pure and full. Now this time we're skipping the E minor, so we're going right up to a C major. This is my message to you. Back to G. So let's try that second half all together. So G, D, C, G. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. D. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's try the full the full verse, and I will call out the notes twice, and then, call out the chords twice, and then I'll just sing it really slowly so you can see how it fits in. Here we go, starting on a G. Woke up this morning, ready? 1, 2, ready, go. G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, here we go. G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woke up this morning. 3, 4, 5, 6. D, smile with the rising sun. E minor, 3 little birds. C, outside my doorstep. G, singing a sweet song. D, of melodies pure and full. C, saying, this is my message to you. G, saying, C, this is my message to you. Into the chorus, here we go, don't worry. Don't worry, G, about a thing. Here we go to C, 'cause every little thing is gonna be all back to G. Alright, one more time. Don't worry about a thing. Up to C, 'cause every little thing is gonna be on G. Right? Alright, there you go. So that is the piano part. If you have any questions there, feel free to post those in the comments. If you don't have questions, that is great. I'll assume that you guys are tracking along with me. We are going to now practice through a couple times. So pull out whatever instrument you are using and get ready. Oops, let me move this back down again. Alrighty. So pull out your instrument, whether it was shaker, guitar, or piano, and let's get going. Here we go. And I'm going to use I'll strum the downbeat for the first couple times through the song, and then I will add in that country strum here. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. G. Don't worry about a thing. 2, 3, 4, 4. Up to time. Don't worry. 5, 6, about a thing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, up to C. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be back to G. 1. Here we go. Woke up this morning. Woke up this morning. D over F sharp. Smiled with the rising sun. To E minor. 3 little birds. Up to C. Outside my doorstep. And then back to G. Singing a sweet song. D over F sharp, of melodies pure and full. C, saying, this is my message to you. And back to G. Second time through, here we go, don't worry. Don't worry about a thing. C, 'cause every little thing, back to G's gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing. Back to C, 'cause every little thing is gonna be all G, right? Woke up this morning. Woke up this morning. G. Down to D over F sharp. Smiled with the rising sun. E minor. 3 little birds. C. Outside my doorstep. Back to G. Singing a sweet song. D over F sharp, of melodies pure and full. C, saying, this is my message to you. G. Alright, third time through, let's add in the country strum. Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. 3 little birds outside my doorstep, singing a sweet song of melodies pure and full. Singing, this is my message to you. Let's take it up to tempo. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. 'Cause every little thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. One more time, every little thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Alrighty. So there we go. That's Don't Worry About a Thing, or 3 Little Birds. Hope you guys had fun. Again, if you have questions, feel free to comment them below. If you have suggestions for songs you'd like to learn in the future, feel free to comment below as well with those. And if you want the chord changes, feel free to take a screenshot of this page here. Those are my simplified chords. But other than that, I hope that you guys had a great time, and I hope that you guys have a great rest of your week. And we will see you guys next Thursday for music, and hopefully next Monday for yoga. I've been having troubles with my internet connection on Mondays for some reason. So I don't know what's going to happen, but Monday at 1:30 for yoga, Thursday at 1:30 for music. So thank you guys for joining me, and we'll see you next week.